welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so happy to introduce this decluttering series to my channel. Just about every year I think maybe I do a few decluttering videos, but this year I'm doing a series because it is almost spring. Spring cleaning is in full effect, you know, getting rid of things that I just don't wear anymore, don't like, don't reach for, what have you. We're just getting rid of everything that we just don't need anymore, okay? That's just taking up space and is unnecessary. So for me, the items I hoard the most is probably clothing. I always have a lot of clothes and I always say I don't have anything to wear. I'm one of those people, okay? Like, so raise your hand if you're just like me, okay? So if you guys watched my Fashion Nova and Diva Boutique try on haul, then you guys know that I did just purchase a few new items. And when you purchase new items, you should always try to get rid of some of your old items. But this has nothing to do with the fact that I purchased those items. This just has the fact to do with we are going to be moving soon into our own home. So I don't want to take all this crap with me, okay? Especially if I'm not using it or wearing it or whatever. So we're going to be starting off my decluttering series with clothes, and the clothing series is going to be split into different episodes. So welcome to episode 1, where we're going to be doing crop tops. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my crop tops out of the closet. I'm going to actually insert a clip here real quick of how I have them in the closet, and then I'll go ahead and grab them out. Okay, you guys, just wanted to show you real quick how my crop tops are set up in my closet, or in my current closet, because as you guys know, we are staying with family. So I have my clothes, like my crop tops here, then it goes into like tank tops, and then like long sleeve shirts and so on and so forth, to dresses, rompers, everything. And then I have like leggings and jeans and shorts here, and then this bin has like underwear and workout clothes and stuff like that in there, and then I have all my scrubs and stuff down here. This dress is in the wrong place because I'm wearing that tomorrow. Yeah, so we're gonna be focusing on tank tops today. So I'm gonna take all of these tank tops out, which is from about here to, not tank tops, crop tops. Okay, which is basically all of these, and we're gonna try all of them on and decide if I wanna keep it or get rid of it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, you guys, so these are pretty much all the crop tops that I have in the closet at the moment. All the stuff that I ordered from my last video, I did not put them away just yet because I knew I was going to be doing this video. So this is it. Typically I try to keep it color coordinated, but you know, life happens and things get messed up. So we're going to try on all of these items and just decide if I want to keep it or not. And if I'm gonna keep it, I'll put it back on a hanger. Or if I'm gonna keep it, I'll put it on the bed. If I'm gonna get rid of it, I'll put it on the floor. And yeah, hopefully I am able to let go of some of this stuff, because I honestly don't reach for half of this stuff all the time. It's just time to just let go and let God. Okay, no, it's just time to let go. So let's jump into it, all right? Okay, so this is the first crop top I want to try on and see if I want to keep it. I really like this. I've only worn it once, and that's when I went to Vegas. And I'm not one of those people who are like, oh, if I already wore it, I can't ever wear it again. Like, if I was like that, then why even have clothes in my closet? You know what I mean? So this is definitely something I would definitely wear again. I love the color on my skin tone. And I did get this from Fashion Nova, and it fits really, really cute. I really love this, so I'm definitely gonna keep this and try to wear it at least a couple more times this year. During the summer or something like that. Okay, so this crop top is it's actually more like a sports bra almost, but this is cute for like wearing underneath something and like putting on like a vest or a cute jacket or something on top of it. It is white. I think I've worn this maybe once. I think I wore this once, and it was just like one day when I was filming, and then I have never really reached for it again. But now that I'm getting back more into fashion, because y'all, in like middle school and high school, I used to love dressing, and then in like the beginning of college, but for some reason, I think maybe after I had my daughter, I was just like, whatever, I just throw on this, throw on that, and I didn't really go shopping anymore like I used to. I used to be at the mall every day after high school, almost every day, like trying to flex and get new stuff to rock to school, because we didn't have dress code or nothing, like we didn't have uniforms or anything like that. But so I want to get back more into fashion again. I think this is like a useful basic piece. So I think I'm going to actually keep this. This top is from Charlotte Russe. Let me see if I can zip up the back so you guys can get the full effect. I don't have anyone here to help me. Okay, I had to go to the bathroom and spin it around, and you know that little trick where you buckle it in the front and turn it around. Okay, so this crop top is from Charlotte Russe. I've had this for many years. I've worn it a few times. If you guys remember my old channel banner, those of you who've been here for a long time, my old channel banner, I had on like a green skirt and this top. So, and I was like this. But yeah, I used to love going to Charlotte Russe. I don't know that it's something I'd reach for like that right now. I'm gonna keep it just because I have a very limited amount of white crop tops. So if I wanted to wear this with some cute little jeans, it would be really cute. So I am gonna keep this one. Now I gotta get it all. Okay, this crop top I got when Tavy and I did the Chit Chat Get Ready with Us when she visited me 2 years ago when I first moved to Texas, and we both got like matching outfits and stuff. And I literally have not reached for this crop top since we did that video. Like, I have not worn it or anything like that. It's very cute and sporty and like easy, you know, let's go to the store, run some errands type of thing. And it is from H&M. Hey, babe got a package, so that's what that was. I'm just throwing it, I don't know what it is. But I have not reached for this since, and I don't think I will be reaching for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this top in the donate pile because I don't think I'll be reaching for it like that. So this crop top was low-key a little DIY. I ordered this from Fashion Nova. I always love gray on me. So I was just like, okay, let me get this cute shirt, whatever. So when I got the shirt, the tag, where they put the tag, a string pulled out. And once that string pulled out, it just kept ripping and ripping and ripping. And then eventually it had like a hole in it. So I cut the hole on both sides, and this is what I have. Now, it looks kind of crazy, but low-key I like it, even though I still haven't worn it. And I've had this since like 2015 when we moved to Tallahassee, and I still have not worn it. But like I said, because I'm getting back into like the fashion world and like not so much like makeup stuff, I think I may be able to do something with this. I have an idea in mind. I think it'll be really cute, so I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one. I should not have had my hair in this bun. Like, my bun just wants to come out so bad. But you know what? We're gonna make it through this. We're gonna make it through this. So, okay, so this next crop top is from Charlotte Russe, and it is actually like a glittery, like, type of thing. I don't know, fabric. It's really cute. I haven't worn it since 2015. I think I wore it for Christmas that year with like some burgundy pants and my boots or something, from some boots from Just Fab. I used to order Just Fab back then. And I never reached for this. It's kind of itchy. It's not super comfortable, and it does rise up a little bit. Even though it's very like simple and easy, I don't know that I want to keep it. So I'm going to actually get rid of this one. Okay, this crop top I've worn many times, and it's white, and the underarm area is not like too badly stained. Like, it's not, you know, terribly stained or anything like that from deodorant, because it is like up in there. Yeah, so this is a really cute, simple you know, crop top to have, crop top tee to have. So I am gonna go ahead and keep this one for now. Okay, this crop top I wore to the Beyonce and Jay-Z On the Run 2 tour. So that's what I had got this for, and it was very cheap, really cheap. The only thing that's behind this is just the sentimental value of the fact that this is what I wore to the concert, my first time seeing Beyonce live. Other than that, this isn't like something I would actually reach for again to wear, so I think I'm actually gonna toss this one. It's comfortable, but it's just like I said, not something I think I'm gonna reach for like that. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, this crop top I think I got from Fashion Nova a while ago, like probably 2 or 3 years ago. And I've worn this quite a lot. Like I find myself reaching for this a lot. Like I wear this so much that I probably need to go ahead and just let it go so I can wear some of my other clothes, okay? Because I wear this so much. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and toss this one for now, but it's had a great run. It's super comfortable. It feels really good on the skin. It's super soft. Okay, this crop top, the first time I wore this was actually, I've had this in my closet for probably like 5 years. And the first time I actually wore it was my 29th birthday 2 months ago. That's the first time I ever wore it, and I think it's super cute. I'm gonna definitely keep it. It's also like kind of like that white one I showed you guys where it's more like bra-like. This is the back, but it has that mesh like fishnet type of material. I really like it. It's super comfortable. I didn't have to spend all night adjusting it or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep this one for a little bit longer and try to make use of it a little more. So this shirt is from Fashion Nova, and this crop top I got probably 3 years ago. I wore it when I went to Atlanta with some of my friends. I wore it with some like white jeans or something and my black Fashion Nova sandals. This is the back. I do like this shirt and I haven't worn it in a while. I'll probably keep it and make use of it again this summer or something like that. I'm doing my hair today, y'all, but my bun just does not want to stay put. Okay, so this one is a, it's like a charcoal colored, it has some kind of like stripes going on, but as you can see, it's very see-through. I've worn this like a couple of times. I don't think I'll be reaching for it. It's very tight and uncomfortable. I can kind of feel everything going on in the back. This is how the back looks. Obviously not with this bra, but yeah, and I think there's like a hole. Is that a hole or is that fuzz? Oh no, that's fuzz. It's fuzz. Okay, so it's in good condition still. It's just a little too small for me. It's very constricting. It took a lot to get my head through this little hole thing right here. So I don't think I'll be keeping this one. I'll be getting rid of this one. This is another one that's more like a bra. This actually used to be a long tank top, but I DIY'd it into a little short like sports bra type of thing that I could kind of put like a cute shirt over and just have this underneath, or like a vest or something like that, just to kind of accessorize the outfit some type of way. But I never reach for it that often, or I haven't put it with the outfit just yet, but I do have something in mind for it, so I am gonna go ahead and keep it for now. And plus it's very comfortable to just like, if I'm just lounging around the house and I just want to put this on and some pajama pants, like girl, it's a whole lounge vibe. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and keep this top. Okay, so this one is similar to the one I just tried on, but this one is actually from Fashion Nova, and it's an actual crop top. Now this is one of my favorite like black basic tank crop tops that, you know, my go-tos that I wear like when I'm working out or something, or if I'm just running out and I want to throw on some leggings and a crop and a cute little sweater, I just go. I will be keeping this one, and I do have another one like this, but it's like a little thicker and it's like a scoop neck, but it's in the laundry, and I'll be keeping that one as well, so you guys don't really need to see it. It looks exactly like this, but the strap is thicker and it's a little longer. So I'll be keeping both of my black Fashion Nova crop tops. Okay, so this camouflage sports bra crop top, once again, is also from Fashion Nova, and this was part of a two-piece set. The bottom joggers you'll see in another episode. This is what this looks like. It's very cute. I actually prefer it more on its own than with like the bottom that it comes with. This one I think was from Wet Seal or Charlotte Russe. I'm not sure. My camera's dying, so it might cut off. But this is what it looks like in the back. It's like cage. And this is a super cute dressy type of crop top, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and keep this one because I don't really have that many dressy ones to choose from. So I'm gonna keep this one just, you know, in case. one day date night or something like that. This one is a longer crop top t-shirt, and this is from H&M, and it's this pretty mustard color. This is fairly new to my clothing collection, so I won't be getting rid of this anytime soon. I actually just wore it for the first time last weekend, or the beginning of this week. So yeah, well, last week when you guys are seeing this. So yeah, so I'm not gonna be getting rid of this anytime soon. This one is really cute. It's also from H&M, and it's, like I said, another dressy crop top. It's not really cropped, but it is like, you know, like if you go like that, you can see it's cropped. It's not like a long shirt, like a regular shirt. So yeah, so I'm gonna definitely keep this. I love the lace detailing on the sleeves, and I love this blush color, so I'm gonna definitely keep this one. Okay, y'all, this one is from TJ Maxx. I got this a while ago. I think I'm gonna go ahead and let it go because it's starting to fit like a child shirt. Like, you see how it's like poking out in the back like that? It's not supposed to be like that. I think it got shrunk one too many times in the wash. I'm sorry I'm rushing, but my battery is dying and I don't have an extra one. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Even though it's really cute, simple, cute little elephant, whatever, it's time to let it go. I feel like I'm in the I Like It Like That, the I Like It music video or something. Arriba, I like it like that. Is that like culturist? I don't know. Sorry if I offended anyone. Didn't mean to. I was just trying to be funny, but you know, everybody's sensitive these days. Anyways, this one is really cute. I don't see myself reaching for it again. I wore it this past summer, and I don't think I'm gonna be wearing it ever again, really, honestly, truly. So I'm actually going to get rid of it. This one is from Dillard's. It was a gift. It's been like my ride or die crop top, you know, like, okay, let me just throw on this crop top, some jeans, some sneakers, and go to the store. So I'm gonna actually keep this one because it's very good quality. I like the little detailing here of the cutouts, and it still fits really well. It hasn't gotten destroyed in the laundry or anything, and so yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this one. Okay, you guys, this one is a little meshy see-through one that's this pretty blush color, and I still have not worn this. I've had this for probably, sorry about my hair, guys, I'm really trying to rush, I'm sorry. I've had this for like a few years now, and I have not worn it. I don't know, I'm conflicted about this one. I want to keep it because I feel like it's cute, it's trendy, it's, you know, just cute, it's chic, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it for now and decide later. I'm not gonna button the neck on this because I'm like crunched for time with this camera battery, but because I've been filming all day, but you guys have seen this in another try-on haul. In my last try-on haul, actually, not last, but my try-on haul from like back in June. That's when I bought this. It was a two-piece set. It is a two-piece set, but I actually prefer the pieces separate. I don't like them together. I look really boxy when I put them on together, so I like them separate. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. It's really, really warm, so it's something I can still wear like right now, not necessarily in the summer. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this. This is how the back looks. Just has a little keyhole, and then it has like the buttons on the neck. Okay, you guys, this is the last crop top, and it's a long sleeve crop top. If you guys notice, I went from skinny straps to short sleeve to long sleeve. It's because that's how they're organized in my closet. So this is the last one. It's just a red crop top, long sleeve from Forever 21. I'm gonna keep it because I don't have that many long sleeve crop top shirts, and I really like it. It's comfortable, it fits really well, and yeah, so it's a keeper. So I decided to get rid of just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crop tops out of, I'll put the numbers here because I don't know, I did not count. I hope you guys enjoyed this decluttering video. There'll be a new clothing series segment of my decluttering series on every Saturday for the rest of March. So please make sure you guys tune in every week on Saturday if you guys are interested in seeing me declutter my closet, because y'all, it's a mess and I've got to get rid of some stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.